Hi, my name is Diana Greenberg. I'm a case manager here at Heartland Wellness Center. Today I wanted to talk about family education on addiction and how important it is. I'm going to talk about a personal story of my own, what brought me into the field of addiction. I unfortunately educated myself a little too late to help my family. On July 30th, 2002, I lost my older brother, who had just 10 days into being 30 years old. My advice for him was to just quit. Like it's that easy. I did not know any better. My whole family, their advice for him was the typical stereotype. My dad was get a job, get your life together, where my mom was more hugs that will make him better, and I was just quit. Why can't you just quit using? My mom thought the more loves and hugs she gave him, the better he'd be. He died, and our oldest brother said that if he was living by him, that this wouldn't have happened. So our whole family was impacted by us blaming ourselves for things we did not know. Truth is, none of that stuff works or is even healthy for the family. The one who is struggling with the disease has changed our way and thoughts of how to interact with our loved ones who are in active addiction or recovery, because that's why it's a family disease, and that's why we have to work on ourselves as well. Due to my brother being under the influence of many different substances, he fell asleep, aka nodded out at the wheel, crossed traffic and hit a fence and was horrifically killed. So many things now that I wish I could change. If I knew then what I know now, maybe he'd still be here, have some kids. Now I would know where to get the support, where to take him, healthy boundaries for myself and my family, so that, of course, we'd be affected, but maybe less. The saddest thing I have ever heard a mother say, which was my mother, was when we were burying my brother. She said, "At least we'll know where he is at all the time now." And that is one thing I love most about Heartland, is we care about the families as well, because they need just as much support as the one that's dealing with the substance abuse. Family night is offered Thursday evenings from 6 to 7, and starting at 5:30 is for the loved ones by themselves. If there's any questions or stuff you want to talk about without your loved one there, we have two of our fantastic clinicians that run the family night. It's good education on substance abuse for the loved ones, from learning ways how to communicate with your loved one that's in recovery or in active addiction, and in a caring way instead of possibly an accusatory, non-intentional, demeaning way. If you have anyone struggling with substance abuse, or if you yourself would like to get some education to communicate better with your loved one, please reach out to us. We are here to help with the whole family. If me and my family had this kind of education, my brother may still be alive today.